In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Sites to create a classroom website. Whether you're a teacher looking to enhance communication with your students and their parents, or simply want to create a space online to showcase your class, Google Sites is a fantastic free tool to help you set it up quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Sites. Simply open your web browser and type in sites.google.com. This will take you directly to the Google Sites homepage. If you haven't used Google Sites before, it's good to note that it's linked with your Google account, ensuring anything you create is securely saved in your Google Drive. Once you've arrived at the Google Sites homepage, the next step is to click on the Template Gallery. This option is found at the top of the page and presents a variety of template choices available for you. Templates are pre-designed site layouts that can help you get a head start on your project. It's especially useful if you're looking for something specific or just need a bit of inspiration to get started. After opening the template gallery, you'll see multiple categories. For our purpose today, scroll to find the class template. Clicking on class will give you access to a template tailor-made for educational settings, with sections already designed to include schedules, announcements, and classroom resources. This template serves as a solid foundation for a classroom website, integrating functionality with simplicity. Now the real fun begins as you start customizing the template to suit your specific needs. Once the class template opens, you'll notice that it is designed with different sections and placeholders. You can edit text by clicking on any text box and typing your desired content. Personalize it by adding your syllabi, contact information, or a welcome message for your students and their parents. Additionally, to make your website visually appealing and engaging, you can modify images by clicking on any current images and selecting Replace Image. You can upload pictures from your computer or even select from a library of images that Google provides. Remember, a visually engaging website can significantly enhance the experience of visitors. Also, consider exploring the sidebar options to add various elements, such as links to external resources, videos, or calendar events to enrich the learning experience further. Tailoring these elements to your curriculum can greatly simplify how information is delivered and accessed by students. Lastly, once you're satisfied with the design and content of your site, take a moment to preview it by clicking on the preview button located in the top right corner. This lets you see exactly how your website will appear once it goes live. After doing so, simply hit publish, decide on a web address, and you're live. Setting up a classroom website with Google Sites is an effective way to enhance communication and provide a resource-rich environment for your students. Embrace the flexibility and simplicity Google Sites offers to create a unique digital space catered exactly to your educational needs.